Hello everybody, welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It has become the heart of the modern home, a space where style, comfort, and functionality come together seamlessly. Modern kitchen design focuses on creating spaces that feel open, organized, and visually elegant. From smart storage solutions and sleek cabinetry to refined lighting and timeless materials, every detail contributes to a kitchen that is both beautiful and practical. In this video, we'll explore inspiring modern kitchen ideas, including functional layouts, stylish cabinet designs, clever storage organization, and complementary decor elements that elevate the entire space. Whether you prefer minimalist simplicity or warm contemporary interiors, these ideas can help transform any kitchen into a sophisticated and welcoming environment. A well-designed kitchen layout is the foundation of both functionality and comfort. Modern kitchens are designed to improve movement, maximize efficiency, and create a seamless connection between cooking, dining, and everyday living. Open concept layouts remain one of the most popular choices because they create a brighter and more spacious atmosphere. By connecting the kitchen with surrounding living areas, the entire home feels more open, social, and inviting. Kitchen islands have also become essential in modern design. They provide additional workspace, extra storage, casual seating, and often serve as the central gathering point within the home. For smaller spaces, galley kitchens offer impressive efficiency by keeping everything within easy reach while maintaining a clean and organized appearance. L-shaped and U-shaped layouts are also highly functional, helping improve workflow while maximizing corner storage and countertop space. Modern kitchens focus on creating clear zones for cooking, preparation, cleaning, and storage. This thoughtful organization helps the space feel less cluttered while making everyday tasks smoother and more efficient. Integrated appliances, hidden storage, and clean lines further enhance the sense of flow, creating kitchens that feel both practical and visually balanced. Modern kitchen design is not only about appearance, organization plays an equally important role in creating a space that feels functional, efficient, and stress-free. Smart storage solutions help keep countertops clean while making everyday essentials easier to access. Deep drawers have become a popular alternative to traditional lower cabinets, offering better visibility and improved organization for cookware, dishes, and utensils. Pull-out pantry systems are another excellent way to maximize storage while keeping ingredients neatly arranged and easy to reach. Vertical storage solutions also help utilize unused space, especially in compact kitchens where every inch matters. Corner cabinet organizers, hidden compartments, and appliance garages help reduce visual clutter while maintaining a sleek modern appearance. These features allow small appliances and kitchen accessories to stay accessible without overwhelming the space. Drawer dividers and built-in organizers make it easier to separate utensils, spices, and kitchen tools, creating a more efficient cooking experience. Under-sink storage systems and pull-out waste bins also contribute to a cleaner and more organized layout. Floating shelves add both storage and decorative appeal, allowing everyday items and carefully selected decor pieces to become part of the overall design. Ceiling height cabinetry is another smart solution that increases storage capacity while giving the kitchen a more seamless and sophisticated look. By combining thoughtful organization with stylish design, modern kitchens can feel both highly functional and visually calming. Kitchen cabinets play a major role in defining the overall style and atmosphere of a modern kitchen. Beyond storage, they shape the visual identity of the entire space through their color, texture, finish, and design details. Flat panel cabinets remain one of the most popular choices for modern interiors because of their clean lines and minimalist appearance. Their smooth surfaces create a sleek and uncluttered look that works beautifully in both large and compact kitchens. Wood cabinetry continues to add warmth and natural character, helping modern spaces feel more inviting and balanced. Light oak finishes, rich wood textures, and natural grains bring softness to contemporary kitchens without losing their modern appeal. Matte finishes have also become a favorite in modern cabinet design. They create a refined and sophisticated appearance while reducing glare and fingerprints, making the kitchen feel both elegant and practical. Two-tone cabinetry is another stylish approach that adds depth and contrast to the space. Combining lighter upper cabinets with darker lower cabinets can create a balanced and visually dynamic design. Handleless cabinets further enhance the seamless modern aesthetic by creating smooth, uninterrupted surfaces. Glass front cabinets can also be incorporated to display decorative pieces while making the kitchen feel lighter and more open. Color palettes often focus on timeless neutrals such as warm whites, soft grays, earthy tones, charcoal finishes, and natural wood combinations. These colors create a calm and sophisticated atmosphere that remains stylish over time. Custom cabinetry solutions also help maximize storage and functionality, allowing every part of the kitchen to feel organized, efficient, and beautifully integrated into the overall design. The materials and finishes used in a kitchen have a major impact on both the style and overall atmosphere of the space. Modern kitchens often combine durability, texture, and simplicity to create interiors that feel elegant, balanced, and timeless. Quartz countertops remain a popular choice because of their clean appearance, durability, and low maintenance. Natural stone surfaces also continue to bring a sense of luxury and character through their unique textures and patterns. Backsplashes have become an important design feature in modern kitchens. Large seamless slabs, textured finishes, and subtle patterns help add visual depth while maintaining a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. Wood accents are often used to soften modern interiors and introduce warmth into the space. Whether through cabinetry, shelving, flooring, or decorative details, natural textures help create a more welcoming atmosphere. Metallic finishes also play an important role in modern kitchen design. Matte black fixtures, brushed brass hardware, and stainless steel accents can add contrast and refinement without overwhelming the overall look. Mixing materials has become another defining feature of modern kitchens. Combining stone, wood, glass, and metal creates visual balance and adds dimension while keeping the design feeling clean and cohesive. Waterfall countertops, integrated surfaces, and minimal transitions between materials further enhance the seamless appearance that modern kitchens are known for. Together, these carefully selected finishes help create spaces that feel both luxurious and highly functional. Lighting plays a powerful role in shaping the mood, functionality, and overall appearance of a modern kitchen. A well-lit space not only improves visibility but also enhances textures, colors, and architectural details throughout the design. Modern kitchens often use layered lighting to create balance between practicality and atmosphere. Ambient lighting provides overall brightness, while task lighting focuses on key work areas such as countertops, sinks, and cooking zones. Pendant lights have become a popular focal point above kitchen islands, adding both style and visual interest to the space. Under-cabinet lighting is another essential feature in modern design. It improves visibility during food preparation while creating a soft glow that makes the kitchen feel warmer and more inviting. Recessed ceiling lights help maintain a clean and minimalist look by providing even illumination without drawing attention away from the design itself. Accent lighting can also be used to highlight shelves, backsplashes, or decorative features, adding depth and dimension to the space. Warm lighting tones are often preferred because they create a more comfortable and welcoming atmosphere. When combined thoughtfully, these different lighting layers help modern kitchens feel elegant, functional, and visually balanced throughout the day and night. Complementary design elements play an important role in completing the look and feel of a modern kitchen. These finishing touches help connect functionality with personality, making the space feel more refined, balanced, and inviting. Bar seating is often used around kitchen islands to create a casual dining area and encourage social interaction. Simple, well-designed stools can add both comfort and style without overwhelming the space. Indoor plants are another effective way to bring freshness and life into a kitchen. A touch of greenery softens modern surfaces and adds a natural contrast to materials like stone, metal, and wood. Minimal decor is key in modern kitchen styling. Carefully selected items such as ceramic vases, cutting boards, or bowls can enhance visual appeal while maintaining a clean and uncluttered environment. Open shelving offers the perfect opportunity to display both functional and decorative pieces. When styled thoughtfully, it adds character without compromising organization. Coordinated hardware, faucets, and fixtures also contribute to a cohesive design. Small details like finishes and shapes help tie the entire kitchen together, creating a unified and polished look. Even subtle elements such as textured textiles, neutral accents, and natural materials can elevate the atmosphere, making the kitchen feel more complete and thoughtfully designed. Color plays a key role in defining the mood and identity of a modern kitchen. The right palette can make the space feel larger, warmer, more elegant, or more minimal depending on how it is used. Neutral tones remain a timeless foundation in modern kitchen design. Shades of white, beige, soft gray, and warm cream create a clean and airy atmosphere that feels both fresh and versatile. Earthy colors are also widely used to add depth and warmth. Natural browns, muted greens, and stone-inspired tones help bring a sense of calm and connection to nature within the space. Monochromatic palettes offer a more refined and sophisticated look by using different shades of a single color. This approach creates visual harmony while maintaining a sleek and modern feel. High contrast combinations, such as black and white or dark cabinetry paired with light surfaces, add drama and definition while keeping the design structured and balanced. Natural light enhances every color choice, making the kitchen feel more open and inviting. When combined thoughtfully, these palettes help shape a kitchen atmosphere that feels timeless, comfortable, and visually cohesive. Modern kitchen design is all about creating a space where beauty and functionality exist in perfect harmony. Every detail, from layout and storage to materials, lighting, and color, works together to shape a kitchen that feels practical, stylish, and inviting. When thoughtful design choices come together, the kitchen becomes more than just a cooking area. It transforms into a central space for connection, comfort, and everyday living. Simple upgrades like better organization, refined finishes, or improved lighting can completely elevate the look and feel of any kitchen, no matter its size or style. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Decor Tricks, and stay tuned for more design inspiration that helps transform everyday spaces into something truly exceptional.